Hello everyone, Fabiha here. Today I'll be creating a mixed media floral card using Craftreat, Chiplets and Stencil. I'm using light gray cardstock for the card base and the card panel, and the measurements are 7 by 4 inches for the card base and 6.5 and 3.5 inches for the card panel. For the background, I'm using Craftreat Plaid Builder Stencil, and I'm using pink and green acrylic paint for the background today. Now adding some white splatters to the card panel. I wanted to add some distressed look to my card, that's why I'm using a scissor to distress the edges and using some black archival ink to darken it. Now moving on to the card base, I'm using a script stamp to add some stamped textures to the background. Now adding some white splatters to the card base and also highlighting the card panel with some silver paint. Finally darkening the edge of the card base with a gray marker. Once I was happy with the background, I moved on to the decorating part. I'm using various designs of Craftreat Chiplets today for embellishing my card. It's time to attach all the elements together. I'm using double-sided foam tape to attach the card panel to the card base to add some extra dimensions. Now adding some handmade pomeranian flowers and leaves to decorate the card. Finally finishing off the card with some silver dewdrops. So here's how my card turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.